How to record screen on Windows 11. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to have to download the software. So the software that we are going to be downloading is called OBS or Open Broadcaster Software. Just go ahead and hit the download button down here. Now, this is a free application, so just go ahead and choose the one for you. I'm going to choose, say, for example, Windows here. You should be able to have here download installer, so just go ahead and click that one. And just go ahead and save this. Now, after saving this one, you can just go ahead and install this, and after installing it, it should look like this. So if I were to open it, I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is what you are going to see. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and set up a few things here. First things first, here in the sources, we're going to click this one here, and then we're going to go ahead and add a display capture. So I'm going to choose this, click OK, click OK. So if you have a dual monitor, just go ahead and click this one here and select which monitor you are going to be recording at. Now, I'm going to choose this one, for example, and then the next thing that we are going to do is click the file, click settings. All right, here in the settings, we're going to change a few things. In the output, for example, we're going to select simple, and then we're going to go down here to the recording. So we're just going to make this a little bit smaller, and then you're going to go ahead and click this one here to browse where you want the recorded videos to be at. In my case, I have put this in this particular folder right here. After doing so, go ahead and change the recording quality, click this, and then choose high quality but medium file size. Recording format, this is very important. Choose MP4 because it's the widely acceptable format. Video encoder, I'm going to change this one, and I'm choosing hardware NVENC H.264. That is because I have an NVIDIA graphics card. And then for the audio encoder, just go ahead and leave it at that. And yep, that's basically what you're going to do. Apply this one, and then we're going to go over to the audio. And here in the audio, you have the desktop audio here. So if you're going to click this one, you should be able to select from different options here. So basically what is going to happen is that it is going to record desktop audio. So say for example, if you have a speaker, you can definitely use that one, but in my case, just USB is okay. Now for the microphone, this is my mic that I'm using right now. I'm just going to go ahead and select that one. Now 2 is enough. Afterwards, you can go ahead and click the video. Now here in the video, this is very important. You have the base or canvas resolution. This is actually referring to your monitor. So my monitor has this base canvas resolution of 1080p, which is this one right here. And then for the output resolution, this is going to be the output as mentioned here. You are going to go ahead and make sure that you are using the same thing. Okay, so 1920 or 1080p, 1080p here as well. And then for the common FPS values, this is going to depend. In my case, I'm recording mostly like my screen here, not really into gaming, so I'm just fine with 30 FPS. If you are into gaming or something that has a lot of activities going on, choose 60 FPS. Otherwise, 30 FPS is okay. Once everything is done, you can just leave everything here and click OK. And that is how to record screen on Windows 11.